Hello everyone, welcome to NDA Defense Institute. In this video, we're going to talk about the recently released Rashtriya Military Schools Common Entrance Test notification. So Rashtriya Military School, which has historical roots, it is a residential public school run by the Ministry of Defense. So it all started as Royal Indian Military School to train the defense personnel of the British officers at that time. After independence, it was open to Indian officers as well as the civilians. So both defense officers, defense personnel and the civilian people, both of their wards, children, they can able to study in this prestigious institution. So this institution has a distinction of training the efficient and important officers of the defense. And the alumni of this prestigious institution have served in highest position in the country, including chiefs of naval staff, army staff, air force, and they continue to serve as well. So getting into this institution itself is a great pride. And for this, 2 entries are available, class 6, from classes to 12, and entry is from class 6 and class 9. So where it is located? This RMS has 5 locations. One is Chail in Himachal Pradesh, Ajmer and Dholpur in Rajasthan, Belgaum and Bengaluru in Karnataka. So in these 5 places, this school has located. So how to join in the RMS? As I told you, only boys, only male candidate, they are eligible to join the Rashtriya Military School, and they are admitted into class 6 and class 9 via a common entrance test like a JEE. It is coordinated by this integrated headquarters, Ministry of Defense. So what is the age limit? So in this exam, age limit is mandatory and they will strictly adhere to the age limit criteria. As we can see, for classes admission, it is 10 to 12 years. So the candidate who born between 1st April 2009 to 31 March 2011, inclusive of both the days, they are eligible to join in the 6th admission. And for the class 9 admission, 13 to 50 years. Candidate who are born between same 1st April 2006 and 31st March 2008, both days are included. Also, there is a separate note saying 6 months relaxation, 6 months upper age relaxation for the defense personnel who got killed in combat as well as war. So the personnel killed in action for this 6th and class 9, 6 months upper age limit or relaxation of 6 months will be allowed. And for class 9 admission, the candidates who are pursuing 8th standard as of now, they are also eligible to apply, provided after writing the exam, you are qualified enough to join to go to the 9th standard. And it is exclusively for boys, not for girls. So examination date. So this is a OMR, optical marking test. It is a physical OMR based common entrance test, and the information regarding this examination will be sent to you via email, your registered email as well as your phone numbers, via SMSs and all. So other information related to that you can access via this website of RMS. So what is the exam pattern? As you can see, for class 6 and class 9, there is a slight difference in exam pattern. For class 6, it is English, intelligence test, mathematics, general knowledge and current affairs. Out of all this, English is only of qualifying nature. These marks are not counted towards merit. So maximum it is 50 marks, so minimum you have to get 35. Then only, you are qualified, then only they will proceed with the cutoff. So this constitutes the written test. And after the written test, there will be a cutoff, and if you pass this cutoff, you will be called for this interview. So the written test plus interview together will be decided for the merit list. The mark that you are going to get after this written test, excluding English because English is only a qualifying nature, and all the other intelligence tests, mathematics, general knowledge and current affairs, plus the interview marks, 20. Together, Based on that, merit list will be released, and then only you will allowed to join the school. So next, it is for class 9. You can see there are 2 papers, paper 1, paper 2. The first paper consists of English, Hindi and social science with 100 maximum marks, and minimum you have to qualify 50%. So at least you have to get half of the mark to get qualified. And for paper 2, it is purely technical, maths and science, 50-50. So again, it is a written paper. Unlike class 6, it doesn't have any qualifying nature, but provided you have to get in paper 1, paper 2, you have to get minimum 50% marks. So the written test plus also interview combined together, they will produce a merit list. So the candidate who got a good cutoff in clearing the written exam, they will be called for interview. So this is how the selection process goes. First, it is the exam. Okay, for class 6 admission and for class 8, the people who are qualified, okay, they can able to attend this specific exam. And also one important change, it is that for class 6 exam, both English as well as Hindi is allowed. But for class 9 common entrance test, only English, the medium of examination. Students can appear only in English, but the medium of examination for class 6, it is both English as well as Hindi. And after that, based on the cutoff marks, okay, written test, there will be marks, and based on the cutoff marks, you will be shortlisted, and then you will be called for interview. So the interview marks as well as the written marks, it will be added, and finally the merit list will be produced. So if you're gonna clear your merit list, then after that it will be medical. So all the candidates are required to pass this medical test, and they will specify which hospital you have to undergo this medical examination. Okay, only the candidates who clear medicals without any rejection and all, they only will be allowed to join this RMS, Rashtriya Military School. And also it is advisable that during this, even though you cannot be able to maintain your physique in the exam process, during interview process, at least before medicals, try to stay fit. So because being physically fit is very important when it comes to military. So application, so this is a specific link that you can apply, and this is how the application looks like. Okay, the date for the start of application, the application opens at 20th July and ends at 20th August. So it is advisable to apply earlier without any mistakes earlier, because at the last moment if you apply, lot of people will try to apply in the last moment. So it will cause unnecessary delays. It may cause some server problems and all. To avoid those kind of exigencies, it is better to apply earlier itself. And seat reservation, this RMS common entrance test has a proper matrix for seat reservation. You can see nearly 70% of the wards of children of this joint junior commission officers as well as other rank of Army, Navy, Air Force, including the ex-servicemen, it has been allocated 70% of the seats, and 30%, remaining 30% for the children of officers of Army, Navy, Air Force, and also children of civilians. You can see here 30% for officers and civilian children and 30% for JCOs and OR. Also, a total of 50 seats separately will be allocated for the children of defense personnel who got killed in action as well as combat at any point of the time. So separately, whatever seat is it, if it is 300, 50 will be allocated. If it is 200, again 50 will be allocated separately for them. And also they will maintain, they are maintaining this proper caste-based reservation. You can see 27% OBC, 50% SC, and 7.5% of ST in all categories. So it means out of this 30%, 27% is for OBC, 15% is for SC, and 7.5% is for ST. So same goes for here as well. 27%, 15%, and 7.5%. Total it goes together. So a proper caste-based reservation as well as reservation for JCOs, OR children as well as civilians are allocated. So what are the important instructions that you have to consider while filling up the application? Okay, it is advisable to take a printout of the application in the Google. Okay, the form, sample form, try to fill it out. in pencil, make sure you are filling it properly, then you apply. So this is purely online application. You cannot able to post it by via post and all. It is fully online application. Just for sample. Okay, you are taking out, have it in a pencil, mark it wherever all the details are marked, and then you proceed with the final application, because even a small error, it will cost you. Also, if at all the information found is to be of fraud in nature, the candidature is liable to be rejected at any stage of the examination. Also, the verification will happen of eligibility conditions. So original document will be done during this admission. So any information that is mismatching with the original document, your candidature are liable to be rejected. And also specifically with respect to the date of birth as well as the category, which category, OBC, SC, ST and all. Okay, because you have to enter, okay, to which category you belong or which date of birth you belong. So if any of those doesn't match, your candidature will be cancelled at any point of time. So take due care and have proper attention while filling your application. And yes, we are there to help you at every stage of this process. From training, we are having this coaching for this specific RMS course, and you people can contact us anytime you want. We will help you throughout, from filling applications, whatever doubt you are having, in training your children, as also during examination, mock test, everything, we are there to help you. So feel free to call us. Also, you can mail us in the specific address, and if you need any other information, you can always go and verify it in our website. So feel free to ask, and we are there to help you. Thank you.